Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So today we're going to remove the wiper transmission and access the wiper motor. And I've already taken the hood off. You do not have to do that, but I'm doing that so that you guys have a clearer vision from the video, so you can see everything that I do or out in the open. So I'm going to remove the wiper arm cap, and I'm just going to get in there and give it a little pry up. And it will expose the mounting nut for that arm to the transmission. That is the wiper motor transmission. And this should be a 17mm socket, or you could use a 17mm wrench. I'm going to break that free. Sometimes I'll hold on to the arm and break that. And I'll take the nut off, and I'll show you how to remove that wiper arm. So this is where you're going to pull the arm up at the pivot point, and we're going to move that back and forth. Just slide it right off. Same procedure for the second arm, which is the passenger wiper blade. I'm going to remove the cover. And if you're vertically challenged like me, just hang in there. You'll get it. So you can't mix up the driver's arm from the passenger arm. The passenger arm is the most elongated one with that curve to it. So you'll know that when they go back on, that's the position they're going to be in. I'm going to remove the hood damper seal here. Just pull that all the way across. And then I can set that aside. Now I'm going to start removing the clips with the body tool. So I pulled this clip out. Now I'm not going to remove this whole plastic piece because we just want access to be able to pull this shroud out of the way. So we're going to leave that sitting up, and I'm going to move all the way down here and move this clip and the next two. So there should be 4 total. And they like to get away from you, so I'm going to put my finger on top so I can take that out of the way. Someone's been in here before. I'll have to get that also. Okay, I'm gonna get this up out of the way. So I'm going to remove the passenger side first because it overlaps the driver's side. So I'm just using my body trim tool, and you go up here and you undo some of the clips. Do not pry against the glass. So when I just access this side, you can see the washer nozzle hose. They're just rubber, so you can utilize your little tool here. See if you can back it off. Don't use a knife. We all know that. We should know better. Just work it back and forth. As you can see, it's attached to the driver's spray nozzle, so I'm going to go over that way. And I'm going to do the same procedure over here. I might be able to just grab firmly and pull up. Now that's one piece, and I can set that aside. So during the removal of this vent shroud, one of the body clips stayed in the vehicle. We're just going to snap that right back in place. Pretty simple. Make sure that they're all, well, you know, now I'm going to look because I'm wondering where that mounts. It's got to go the other way. See the angle? So I'm going to pull that back out. I'm going to copy the other side, snap it in. Good little catch there. So you start the opposite way of removal. Removal was passenger side first, then driver. So to install, I have to install the driver side first. Spin it right around. So I'm going to line it up with the wiper arm regulator. See where all the little clips are in the spot. And just give it a good push down firmly. There we go. And follow it along over to the passenger side. Now I can see that the washer spray hose came undone from, it has a little mounting ear right here, so we want to make sure we put that back in. Only because if that catches that regulator when that's spinning around, you will have a leakage of your washer fluid. So I have to come to this side and reconnect the washer spray hose. I'll get it right here. I didn't see any debris in there. Kept it nice and clean, clear. Okay. So now I'm gonna line everything up and give it a push down. So let's get that all lined up. Okay, now we're ready to put in our body clips that go along the front. Now I'm going to install the driver's little shroud thing I took out earlier. It's going to go down in, line up that bushing. There's a couple of pinholes. Click that in. Now I can mount my 4 push pins in. Work my way over to the passenger side. Okay, so now I'm going to reinstall the seal that I pulled off first. I'm just going to start this side, work my way over. Now we're going to reinstall the wiper arms, passenger side first. I'm going to reach up and I'm just going to make sure that when I lower that, it's in the position on the glass where I want it to be. And it is. So good. I can get the mounting nut. So now I'm going to hand start the wiper arm mounting nut. I'm going to install the driver's one next, and then I'm going to torque these down to 21.6 foot-pounds. Just slide it down over that regulator. Let's see where this, line it up in place. Snug the nut by hand. Go ahead and get ready to torque it up. This is a 17mm socket. And now I'm clear to put the rubber caps on. Now let's go inside, put the key on, and let's see if they work.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.